Hello friends, today we will talk how to prevent plaster defects during the construction stage. Plaster defects can be easily avoided in the construction stage if the necessary precautions are taken at the right time. The preventive measures range from proper preparation and cleaning of the wall surface to selecting suitable materials and following the standard construction procedures. A clean and adequately prepared wall surface ensures good bonding on a plaster wall interface, preventing the delamination of the plaster work. The exposure of the plaster to wind and sunlight should be prevented to avoid plastic cracks. Additionally, a proper curing regime for a minimum of 10 days guarantees the achievement of adequate strength and prevention of shrinkage crack development. Different types of defects observed in plastering work are blistering, cracks, efflorescence, lacking, peeling, popping, softness, and uneven surfaces. These problems affect the aesthetic appearance of the building. How to prevent plaster defects in construction phase? The use of well-graded sand can prevent the development of crazing cracks. Crazing cracks are the network of cracks that have hexagonal patterns. The crazing cracks are shallow and do not extend to the full depth of the plaster. Remove wall surface from loose material and clean it from dust and oil to avoid plaster debonding. The use of cement slurry or spatter dash coat before plastering can improve bonding and reduce debonding or delamination. Avoid the use of pure cement for the finishing coat. Avoid using the mortar mix rich with cement. Use a mix ratio of 1 part of cement to 4 parts of sand depending on the type of sand. Consider the use of fly ash blended cement because it releases low hydration heat and has a low possibility of crack development as compared to ordinary Portland cement. Wet the masonry wall with a sufficient amount of water before beginning the plastering work to prevent water absorption in the mortar mix by the brick wall. The absorption of water by the brick wall would increase the loss of moisture in the mortar mix and increase the possibility of plastic shrinkage crack development. Do not overwork the cement finishes. Begin curing as soon as possible, especially in hot and windy conditions. Cure the plaster adequately for at least 10 days. Prevent greening through the provision of an undercoat plastering and 2 coats of plaster on a firm surface. Greening is the appearance of masonry joints through plaster work. Protect plaster work from sunlight and wind to avoid rapid drying to hinder the development of plastic shrinkage cracks. Commence the plastering work at a suitable time to prevent sun and wind exposure. Use sand with fineness models ranging from 2.4 to 2.6. Use plaster thickness of 1.5 cm or less. Plaster with a thickness of more than 2 cm is likely to suffer from drying shrinkage cracks. Excessively thick plaster leads to debonding and delamination. After hardening, the loss of moisture makes the plaster shrink and consequently develop cracks, drying shrinkage cracks. If a higher plaster thickness is needed, apply 2 plaster layers with a gap of around 3 days. Use a thickness of about 1.2 cm thickness for each layer. Sand with a fineness modulus less than 2.2 results in drying shrinkage cracks. The plaster surface may suffer from popping if it contains substances such as seeds and dead burn lime. Remove the efflorescence by brush washing the plaster surface with a mix of 1 part of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid and 5 parts of water. After washing, dry the affected area. Efflorescence is a whitish crystalline substance on the plaster surface. It appears due to the presence of salt in construction materials like brick, water, sand, etc. So consider the possibility of fluorescence occurrence during the selection of construction materials. The surface of plaster may show rust stains if it is applied to a metal background. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lords channel, How to Make Home.